Alright, so this is time to harvest up my pineapple. First thing to do is I need to get this makeshift cage off of it. I put this together just to make sure that no squirrels or raccoons got into it when it ripened up. So that'll be the first thing we do. I mostly have this thing tied together with this wire here. It's pretty simple, you just twist it. I like little twist ties. You can buy a spool of this stuff at your box stores. When I was putting this cage on, it kind of tipped to the side because of how heavy the thing was. Always a good idea to wear gloves when handling pineapple. Just take the cage off here. There's my pineapple. Now you'll also see here, got the sucker right here. That'll be where the next pineapple grows on this thing, so I'll probably just leave that there. You just want to cut this. I can remove this too and replant this part, and I'll still get another pineapple plant out of that. In fact, this will probably produce a pineapple faster than the crown. To get this thing off, we're just going to take my shears at the base and cut it. There you have it. Boy, this thing smells sweet. Now you may notice that the thing's pretty golden. This is the color of a ripe pineapple. You don't usually find them in looking like this in the store. They usually sell them a little bit before this. I would have preferred a little bit bigger pineapple than about palm size, but still pretty happy with this. I was expecting it to be a bit smaller. I can just take this crown, just turn it right off, and I've got myself another pineapple plant. In fact, I've got an empty bag right here. So how about I just take that pineapple little crown off right now and replant it right away. Take it, give it a twist. Got a pineapple crown. Now, I'm going to remove a little bit of this here. That way it doesn't rot. Remove a few of these bottom leaves. Expose the stem here. Yeah, just throw them in the pot. Trying to get about an inch or so. One more. Yeah, it should be good. Just take it. Just stick it in the ground. Don't even worry about putting it in water or anything. Just like that. Now you do want to keep the soil damp. So make sure to water it every day. And after about a week, it should root itself. And I'll have another pineapple plant. As for the pineapple itself, put this in the fridge, let it get cold, and I'll have a nice snack for later.